Hi guys, I'm back. Did you miss me? This is Trela Thonawsam and welcome to Mami Mapao. Impact TV's Mami Mapao mityeng tabiri bapumna magpo ahanba magtada kurumjari. Today we bring you the latest news and events from the world of entertainment. First of all, thank you so much to all the fans and followers of Mami Mapao. Mami Mapao gi mga ragsuba episode asida miyamgi comments, suggestions, appreciations, singidamak thagachari. So asi hena phajaba hena mapungphaba ma oina bagi damakta adomgi support yamna changi. So folks, please keep supporting Mami Mapao. Dear viewers, let's now see what news do we have for the 5th episode of Mami Mapao. A combination of old music with younger voices entices us to an audio CD release. Aduga anisubada, we have a tale of the reality show Star of the Day, and also we have release function of the feature film Speedbreaker Kaidore, and making of the horror film Toycha 3. Flood relief camp by Moneywood Club Gipauda Mama. A sizzling news on a new lingerie brand Pretty Secrets. Aroibada, mayam mityeng taminasi release of a new music video album Sanagi Thambal. Wow, all this gold. Kuiraba matungda we are witnessing an audio CD release. Nuksiraba angang oiringay gi matamgi audio cassette tanabado ningsinghale. So let's go and have a look at the special release.
Matam amagi maming lerba film Madhabi amadi Maichaktagi isai ahum punna taruk lakotuna All is Gold haiba mingthon ga loinana mandakini amadi Arvind soiba manina nauhona na amuk saktoktuna Ravi Shankar na leibak miyam da khudol tamli sakleba lamai lamlan bani pamuba nungsiba punsigi aroiba kundo Tangzabi uri amadi wahang amagi hariba maming leraba mutpa nairo da isai sing asina laichal oina yauriba audio CD asi haukiba July gi tang ani nongmaijing nomita Hotel Christina da Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Able Persons na sinlang da release tawkre.
Ariba isai singsigi mami si sum samjilakpa aduga aikoi artist ama oining hanbagi wakhalon ama pibiriba isai singse kanjaning bagi wakhalon da aikoi bu isai tamning ba phawal lakhiba isai gi sur amasung music ki leiriba quality mayam sina aikoi bu isai tamning ba phawal lakhibani hariba isai singsi mangki gadaba pamu jabana maram oirakanda aina isai singsi mayam da puthok jabani isai singsi dagi aina market tawjabagi wafam kaimta lejade isai si aina ngasi mayamda mamal laudana mayamgi khutta yahonnaba angamba social media gi mateng laujaraga soidana mayamgi khutta yahonjagani.
Release tawbagi thorma da nahakpam Indrajit, Parliamentary Secretary Mahud, CH Opendro, former President Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Able Persons Manipur, Dr. R.K. Kumarjit, State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Government of Manipur, Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, Social Scientist Amadi, Dr. T.H. Achauba, Professor, Department of Community Medicine, RIMS, Infalna, Presidium Member Singoina, Sarugyaki.
Stage abadi pungsak sakdana mayam ozaguru singi matawje dum tamjara sakje adubu smaina stage sakpasiga record oina tawraga aina sakpa isai smaina Manipur miyam da tahan bagi khudong jaba ma lerakpasida ngasagi record ka tawrakpasida di posi hena hona ningba aduga isai sibu yamna naina ningbagi wakhalon yam phawe aduga ari bise singse sakjabasigi nuai jaba ma haragadi hojik se yam kanna isai tamningba ma kanna phawgal lai isase
nuai jabadi smaina ari bise aingonda muknongna tamaga saktopa da experience hana lemdaba experience yamas fangi du younaba original duma yauba ngamnaba honabada haidi aingonda sek saida anauba knowledge mayam ju fangi aduga original duma yauba ngamdrabasu oja gi mafamda agi tribute tawani khanjaraga isai se ena ichega loina saksagi
Ari isai sing asina mami samjilakpugum urakpa loinana saisakpa kayada saisakloi oining bagi inot hap leba thoidok hendok na maming lerba isai sing ase yokhatning bagi wakal londa thoina sendong gi thiru dana puthok leba audio CD ne All is Gold. Dr. Kamalamadi L. Banka Sharma anigi mayekta S. Tejendra madi A. Syam Sharma anina music direction piriba isai sing asibu Jawaharlal Ningomna re-music arrange tawduna Bobby Oinamna recording engineer oiduna puthokpa audio CD ni All Is Gold.
Guess you guys have also felt the nostalgic vibes of our old days, and with a new twist of the contemporary trend. Mathang lairiba Mapao asi ABC Entertainment na sinba Star of the Day, a reality talk show ki matangda paudamama.
Star of the Day haina mingthon ma reality talk show ma Impact TV na media partner oiduna ABC Entertainment na Raj and BK galoi na puthokpa hokre MT Theater gi Hongnem sang da pangthokpa hokra talk show sida soinai rab thamoi hadiba film asigi cast amadi crew members singa unaduna han episode pangthokre
Nungsiruba thamoy sina iral oire Warak jabanam dratha moy sige marale Lingerie ay nangon the lingerie Say biramu ay bunat silpe na ba Mapok dare takni oy na pok na ba
Star of the Day hai se koina particular sagi mi ama koi Manipur da mayam star ni na khanri basing se moi si koin promotion to bi hai tare mayam da magi awan ngai ati recommend koina moi da phagi jugai to magi punsi gi bari adi lakade film de oi yawn bo gana film de gi maram da koina kai torokade kholaka de hana koina promotion program hai tare samna hai kanda
siguma so si na Manipur gi oina di han bani haina ai wakhan le ado si mayam ni yeng da su dum nungai ga do ba male mayam gi appreciation su dum phang ga do ba male do mayam na su thawai ta na yeng bina ba ai mai kai de gi haijeri
Anisiba episode lamdamasigi sangai raba saisak loi sing Sadananda Dinesh Arvind namadi Rosi Binaga unaduna mapung fana pangthokre
Purnima thajasu ikaire Karigi amuksu kumziliva Koidana bimai tondo O toivi
lamhin balang gina tawda
Humkrabanangi thamoibu Kanada taina rugani Wakatham leitrabada Nangi punsinabu Yai fagani khallaba Jat kharo lamna Ningjaba magi manakta Nikiva sattanda Fairel tagilova Chatlandagi matando Mera thagi sanare gom yengbar ontona nintizen
Yaptaan na sakpay wanita say Yaptaan nga yung mamalay na sakpay wanita
Ha?
Yaptaan nga may mamalay na sa iba
Mane, ito mamalay na susakta kami siya akana matay na timay no bigi sa inyo
it's a part to make a development for the society hai tare image of the film and singing mayam sigi oiraga tawbanina asoi ba yaw sing se comment fajaba pibagi mahutta suggestion oina pibiraga inkhalakliba angang sing sida inspiration oiba yaba simdok chanabagi tanja piba yaba adugumba da puthok piraga manipur gi leiriba future sing asi masek mangal naina puthokpada achoba tawdang lobiyu amadi impact tv da sandokliba the star of day simapung phanbi haiba waisi artist amoina asengba thamoi da apil da mayam da thamjage
khoina ngamingei mayam gi support phangingei adum soje makha chathadana adum sahi ama ni ahum mari khoi film industry amadi music industry amadi leiriba arts ki sumang lila ki kam yam leiriba singse mogi timing la kum tunda khoina moi ko khotlaga mayam mang da sing mo tawri moi si samaji mo tawri du tawri actor la gana actor sine ma actor si babu kin tawri mayam gi tumta seba tawri ko tawri moi leiringei adum khoi soje leina badi hona jage
ahum suba episode ta heroic nauroibam gi mitlu na mingthonba Gyaneswar Konjengbam direction piba film gi cast amadi crew members singa unakrei star of the day hariba talk show sida Dimbesor Saramana anchor gi thodang lori amadi phagi pubada sakna araba artist Joseph amadi Rangilal anina phagi gi mathel kya suhapli
Kay no mama. Kay no. Kay dong mama police jero kay jai. Police jero di hai ne. Police jero di hai ne. Police jero ba hamoi phana bro.
Is kali ai bu o mai ti kai no
Yamu tenang sing ya hoki buwari ning sing ra
Karai ti ning jang nai ti yamu da pu khau khau kare kaya ta nu si kra
o ma da
an ta kon ke lo
ya lai ho ho ra pati iru jaba ya te si doctor somana doctor ori nga ta hai kitra
thangai sengbadi ainu oikiba doctor do gynecologist ne adui matang gi khana hodra
Star of the Day is a promotional event, reality talk show of upcoming films, sumang lila, fashion, etc. from the world of entertainment. So guys, exclusive talk show asi yengningadi, wait no further because it will be aired on Impact TV soon. But if you want a live show, then don't forget to book a ticket for upcoming shows, which is coming soon. Continuing, we have the release of Speedbreaker Kaidore at Hotel Classic. Now, let's go and check it out.
So we are here, this is Tenzing and Sterla at the release function of Speedbreaker Kaidore, an evening style production.
Yeah, there are tons and tons of beautiful, gorgeous and handsome actresses and actors out there, so let's go catch them.
Let's go.
Evening Star Film Production ki banner makhada DIS Construction Materials Private Limited na present togduna puthokpa film Speedbreaker Kaidore haukiba July gi tang 8 nomaijing numit hauna bi matung ina Classic Hotel da premiere show utkre
noi hum puluk koi thalu rauja
Bobby Hawum na direction piduna risi talk show na puthok liba nungsi nungona madi fagi juga da yumpham oiba film asida inausa khunrak na editor gi thopangli Binoranjan oinam na screenplay madi dialogue loinana Amarjit Lauren bamna music ki thodang lauri bung konjeng bamna camera nam gi thodang lauri film asida Jina busu heroine oina introduce tauri Bonnie Ratanlai Surjit madi Nanda Kumar na chingba kayana maroi Mami roi sing oiri
aina hujik lai minariba se ai Manipur ki singer best singer amazo oiriba and actress amazo oiriba Jina gani
aingona pakhatpa acting to matamda soigiba khotgiba adum yawe ka Bonnie na shu adum takpi mayam na shu adum takpi aduga adumai taraga tawjai
Naubi salam nang asigi film asida ka makeup artist ama oiramaga actress ama oirakpasida kari kamaina no
ai punsigi ahamba ne aduga kano mamang da acting tawdriba haitare adum as a makeup male ama oina adum lairakpa ada sigi mamang da khoi camera mang tokpa aina numit ta aina karak nik bokhanik to adu kimat
Kusiba, kaidaura.
Hozuje aiga leminarba ase akhoi Manipur gi one of the most favorite actor Mr. Khabagani.
Comedy film ne hai tare 2 days ki wari ne si film
The film is the Khabana thinner kiba ka ke challenges awa bungumba nungai gumba experience man samtang share to bi.
Sigi film je nammadadi kasu thoidongna awaba legide haidi production team gi maikai degi su moina achobu thang loraga yamna artist me ambu yamna section na moina care lobiraga yam nungai na thambi director gi maikai degi su yamna nungai ba akhoi cooperation pinaraga film je namgi kasu thoidokwa awaba legide si film je nungai namgi.
Man, I'm sure that film is gonna be super hit.
Wow, jana ko first do.
Oh.
Okay, so that was Mami Mapao with the team of Kaidore Speedbreaker and Evening Star production.
So catch us there. Bye-bye.
The Speedbreaker is indeed a breaker of speeds, filled with comedy and humor like none other. So do go and check it out for all Manipur premiere release on 16th July. Aduga pugpin na nopiyo, manang nagpa cinema hall da minyang tabiduna film adugi mahaulo piyo. Aduga behind the cinema minyang taminasi. Poweraba horror series, Manipur's one and only horror series, Toicha 3 Gimeki.
Zetendra Ningoman story screenplay made direction piduna Toisa part 3 puthoknaba yamna kanna honari malem sidagi sikraba mai thadokraba kana gumba amagi thawaina malem asida halakpagi wari ni Toisa part 3
part 1 da akogi kano khulamada lejaba nupi masa ama akogi khuldugi yamna jela sangba kanguna ma se mai thara happy gi bani adugi thawaiduna akogi part 2 da ma kano da mana pamjeri ba mana nunchijaba nupa amagi manakta langna hona matamda ma maithi gi bai dare aduga part 3 sidari mana muk asagi malim sida sigraba mai thagrab sigraba adugumba thawai amakangna Malim taibang sing da amuan halak ko yuwari ni.
Kaino khang da ba thoi cha hek nambada camera ma mang hek ta ra kan da hai tar sa da sumaina sokani pangani adagi even si ba yaw ni aina thoi cha tu da su khongnang da yan ba thauri kem ta ki da bi da khong se yal ni yang wang ma kha da ta lit pa ya ba space tham kan da lit li ne da mai tor ga yalin adu da so dum isa si ba sumai to tara adi si doi ni go kai se mikup tu da di dum kaw even housing su not the kaino ma phula kan da yam henjala kan suffocation to ra kan da khara phaura kan da khange do kamai te no khang de ma si thoi cha se angak pang khang nai ngon da si thoi cha gi rules
film asida visual effect na chingba anoba technology kya sijinaduna film pamjaba babok singda top makal gi mahawam pinu na ba honari Toisa part 3 da Zetendra Ningombana
anoba trend sida visual effect ka yamna thadaraga babok sing haidare sinugori sing se anoba kano ma sang chalhan bai dare aduna aigi Toisa part 3 sida miyamna hana sungu udaba mongda Manipur gi sinugori gi akoi film isal sungu udaba pot khara aina kano ugen khanba utkin khanba
Toisa gi part khuring mak sa engon don challenging hoye do hanta gi su adum hana gi dumaina yam challenging hoye haidi hauji na mi se thauri yang khalaga haidi ising mathak da chen bagi sene na mi se bude adubu hayeng loina hapchala kadam ne visual effect na do hauji ki hoina di si chroma da chen bagi sene do yam sathi na wai
koi software mayam season agre mayam zum khangbirang ngani maya adu da 3D max ko cinema 4D akoi even mari bo season aba yawi ko modo season aba se khar ya case ne ado andak ki season houdre di matam se 20 days khatang pp adu bfx se yam mi pire bfx se akoi gi sin hai ga dinatre short oina yam do kun manga mu se kun manga se da fazaba short tara gumba thengna bi gani
shooting ki process ti lore ngasi sina last ni aduga editing ki process su lore effect ki sarok su ayamana aduga akoi gi miyam da athuba matam da release tona ba sem sabalo jare aduga top mahaw amu su phangane aina khali
Irungbam Tuleshwarna VFX ki thaudang amati Posangam Sarat Chandrana camera namagi Thaupangli Thoisa Part 3 asida.
As thoicha wan ga tu ga yeng ki bagi aki ba do husbau handri 3 muk thola ka dore ai khang de break am lor chal horage
Nasibo kubara nungshiba
thamoi gi nungshi torban se
hengla boing sida Nungshi leirangi leikong karino di thajani aigi thamoy atiya
The journey of Manipuri films started with a bang in 1972, and there is no turning back. Impact TV is bringing a carnival of Manipur cinemas, features, non-features, short films and documentaries including national and international award winners from the famed directors of the soil. Exclusive on Saturdays and Sundays on Impact Entertainment Channel. Thabum Sima, powered by Classic Group of Hotels. Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Credit Linked Subsidy Scheme, Mission Housing for All by 2022. In conjunction with the Government of India, Mission Housing for All by 2022, Panthobi Housing Finance Company Limited, the sole housing finance company brings you Our Promise, Your Home under our motto, Shelter for All, governed by PMAY CLSS. The company under PMAY CLSS provides subsidized home loan to 28 towns in Manipur. Loan amount of up to Rs 15 lakh for academically weaker section and low income group. Loan amount of up to Rs 50 lakhs for middle income group. EMI as low as Rs 1,136 per lakh. Zero processing fee. Subsidized of up to Rs 2.67 lakhs. We request the people of Manipur to kindly visit our offices at Imphal, Nambol, Bishnupur, Moirang and Kakching and get the benefit of PMAY CLSS. Panthobi Housing Finance Company Limited.
Welcome back to Mami Mapao. Leibak ki awanungai da saruk yariba Moneywood Club ki members sing na flood relief mateng pangki bagi Mapao ma yengmin.
Handak marak nong kahena subudagi Manipur ki tampak tongan-tongan mamathum kya da ising ichaw gi awaba kaya mayok na duna lakli. Awaba tarab miyamda Manipur ki film fraternity singi apun belupam oiriba Moneywood Club na tengbang bu oina. Haukiba July mapanda namdai long nong maybung wangkhay angom lekai khurai nan dabim lekai khumidok amadi khabai soi anjam nagar ki ichaw mayok na riba singda cheng hawai alu amadi thum na chingbu polam kaya yenthokhi.
Chokthok chaningai ni celebrity ni hire society asigi saruk ama oina leibak asigi awabada achaw apikhaidana saruk yari. Superstar Manda was spotted at an exclusive lingerie brand showroom inauguration at Thangau Bazaar, Money Towers.
Hi, we're here right now at the grand opening of Pretty Secrets. As you can see, there are so many rush already. So there are a lot of VIPs and movie stars inside. We'll go and meet them, shall we? How's my artist, Manipur, most versatile artist, the most beautiful Dagani. चे अखोई ngasi maina promotion chatpa khotpa mapanda tholok pase ise adum support tawbibra
aidi yamna support tawjai haijaninge maramdi akoina online dagi leirubada percentage khara kakba natraga mapanda salaga leibagi khudong sabadu manghan garaga akoi inak nak na akoi gi thongan da leibadong na thokpo oina tobase ai si da sunatana atopa shop singe invitation lakpadai hararo dum ya jagani.
The USP of Pretty Secrets is extreme comfort with uncompromising style. So all our products are engineered with immense quality, top comfort, and everything that you see is super colorful, extremely pretty, and really stylish. That's the USP of Pretty Secrets. This is the first franchisee, and actually it's a really big deal for us because it's the first store in Northeast India.
Pretty Secrets si Yagi states atai degi ai is ne yan hale ani amadi Mumbai da leire aduga Northeast so ine han hanjare adagi angang sing sina koi gi inkhalai ba nupim cha sing sigi yam comfortable oiba adagi yam hygienic oiba mafam da thamjabane in thamjari se
chemandana matam kuina lepro matungda smaina promotions taga hazikan toina urok baje khoina jam nungai je aduga chemandage film soina raba thamu ju thok tore ko ado how exciting are you?
I want to am kana excited oiba oidre viewers sing hena oi na haijaning ai samang su khang de karam kanda release taw duino adagi film je release taw ro matum da mayam gi mod kari la ka duino have saying on da chamam na ba dum boina doubt ama leibo hai tare ai di continuously film je sum taw gi bana tamina ko ina mung gap leraga amuk thokpa sis ne hen na on da luhan ba ma thokpa do adu ina thoe na haijaning
hana gi matam duga hojik kari change phange
camera da maroi ne am changes oirame aina hana act tobasina camera se tanaraga ai se camera da uba phangaroi na mai on laga act toramba hojiksina makoina tawning ba act torakanda camera sina oina ai gi act se tana birakpa film ji gi shooting horakpa da tayona ba haitare aina hana gi experience tu da tawroba film ji gi director na nangi adu do thaina gi bot adu yadre ko hojikti camera frame just maina tobani tali o du main to pro din hangai habirake desni nungai re hana gi manda du ni hena phajai phani set pi do kaina hai gum du maina hai gum ma tawba aingonda aina uchchaningisina aina hana na khoi gi pass tawgraba ekama adu da sum hanjan tawbu nataba aina hai gi daba aina ngam gi daba pot ama adu do oina hotna ba hai tare ai gi hana mai pakhidaba pot du hujik amuk nauna mai pahan ba ngambran ai gi jage ngam yeng bani sim tang khamjage.
So that was Mami Mapao with the Pretty Secrets grand opening. It is already open now. It is in Thangal Bazaar and the grand opening offer is 50% off. So everyone, ladies, you can come and just take your favorites. So with Tenzing here, with Chemanda signing off. Thank you so much.
Wow, I would not have expected such luxurious brand to be introduced in Manipur. Yeah, thanks Pretty Secrets. Aduga happy news amana. Pretty Secrets na handak episode asidagi hauna co-powered oibigani. Lastly, we have the release interview of music video Sanagi Thambal at Hotpot Wangkai. Mayam adugi mapao mamuk midyang taminasi.
Hello! Right now we are at the venue of the release function of the music video album Sanagi Thambal. And right now I'm with the most cutest person I've ever met on the planet Earth, who took the part of the Western in the song, and I'm going to ask him a question, which is going to be very interesting.
I'm having a really great time here because you're interviewing us.
That's great. Now that the video has been released on Tanta, of course, what do you expect? I mean, what do you want? What do you expect in return?
We expect the same love we put in for this work from the viewers who are watching the song, and we hope that we unite people in Manipur. And sorry for this. And we also hope that people, instead of spreading hate amongst each other, they spread the word of love.
Wow, that was cute.
Malim the lairai pak leibara Sanagi thambal sat para.
And next we have the most gorgeous lady. Yes, it's She's right next to me.
Handaki project se hai tare ko sida khona gain to bai se the love kind of relationship ko between the artist ko adu ko maina khoi thabak se teamwork oina taw bi mayam have the harauna without any conflict, without any problem. Adu mayam to adu oina hai se
Malim dalai re pakli para Shanagi thambal shat para Malim dalai re pakli para Shanagi thambal shat para Shaldi lamdam madu Manipur Manipur
And yes, the director of this music video album.
Hanagi thambal video sida yawri video karte si myam se di akoi hekta nam ba chat pa ya ba jaga nataba samna kan restricted oi ba jaga danga to oi ba si myam se akoi Manipur tourism department dagi akoi ayaba am laujai ko lora kan moina ayaba do pibira kan akoi footage sing se hapjau Hanagi thambal gi team gi mohut sinjaraga ai isamak na Manipur tourism department bu haninga leitana thagata phongtok se
Yearns for home in Manipur.
Sigumba singse urakanda han hidden oiraga leiramba musician ai singers mayam amsu leirmani dana moidu hena tawning amsu pharakani adu moi mayam da tholaga di Manipur gi akhoi musician gi singers gi asset yam khalak toine ba aduga aina handa try tawjari sina masagi experimentation ama khani fusion music ki adagi English adagi folk music matam isai sokol akhoi na sai haita Indian music ki adagi composition da su western music ki concept adagi funk music yauri maning da ko adi piano itself akhoi gi fiddle akhoi Manipur gi khwai dagi amata ngai ba instrument sizinaraga aduga lyrics simaksu akhoi maitai gi oiba haidi akhoi Manipur imabu nuksibagi haitare sigumba lyrics amada based of isai ama semba sineba ai khwaidagi yahan ma pandamde
Music video album asida phangakpa experience amadi ngasigi hogalaiba Manipur gi youth sing haitare ko moi sida ngasi isai ji chance loraga pinning ba message amatang haibi
tawgiba music fusion music asida igi experience hargadi tongan ba music genre ma'am gi haibdi western music folk music the Manipuri matam isai ade isha Indian classical music tawjarasu si ma'am siga pulla kanda sakmina ba phangba degi isai se fuse tawr matungda yamna phajaba pot ama haibdi mi yamna taba ya ba masung nungai ba pot ama oina bagi damakta panagi ba mayam du adum nungai ba masung nungai taba hairagadi nungai bana hele akhoina maitai macha am oiraga Manipuri macha am oirikanda akhoigi mahi masing tamnaba mapan lamda Delhi da dagi Bangalore da Manipur gi outside Manipur da chatla kan like tamurasu himalay bak Manipur na khwaidagi heli dagi khwaidagi phajaba heli habdagi message adagi mayam youth sing da hining badi himalay bak nungsibiu dagi himalay bak ti hena phajaba dagi nungsiba laite
Thank you so much. The music video album is already out in Tanta right now, so you guys can tune in and watch it. This is Strela Thomnausam with the team of Sanagi Thambao. Bye-bye.
Wow, that was an amazing experience to see a live show. More excited of what awaits. Yamna nungai kiba so isay amani Sanagi Thambao. Mayam soida na midyeng tabi. Dear viewers, that's all we have in this episode of Mami Mapao. Hope you liked it. Mathangi episode ta Anova Entertainment gi Mapao kaya puduna mulak check it. But dear fans and followers, Do send us your feedbacks at www.facebook.com/Mami Mapao. Thank you for watching Mami Mapao. Goodbye.